Look closely at the screen. A hand with more than 5 fingers grips a coffee cup that is melting directly into the table.
Why does most AI art still look like a glitchy nightmare? And why is everyone so fed up with it?
On the left, an artist presses charcoal to paper, feeling the muscles' tension. On the right, a chaotic matrix of numbers shifts at light speed. AI does not know what a hand is.
It only knows patterns of pixels, guessing wrong until a thumb grows from an elbow.
Welcome to the land of AI slop. Look at these glossy, over-smoothed faces. They look like rubber masks. It has detail,
But zero weight. No physics, no intent. Our brains are evolved to spot the lie instantly. We see the artificial shine and feel the coldness of a machine mimicking life. This is why audiences are hitting back. When your feed is clogged with plastic, cookie-cutter images, it stops feeling like art and starts feeling like digital spam.
Look at these brush strokes, the natural textures of a real canvas. AI is a tool.
but tech cannot fake a human perspective. Are you exhausted by the slop?
Or do you think the machines will finally get it right? Drop a comment and let me know.